All right, so here goes. Ready? We got the plastic wrap. This is the fun part. It's like Christmas, just like first count. Very exciting. Wow. It's got a handle. You can carry it. Look at me everywhere I go. But help me, Ken, because we're on camera. And where do I go next to open this thing? Well, let's just take a look. Oh, here we are. Here, that little perfect. Let's turn all around, maybe. Wait. I'm excited. I'm they're excited. I'm excited. Look at that. Wow. This is the birth of the baby here. And there we go. Part of that. Nice. So he wasn't kidding. You put a lot into this packaging. Actually, let's go like this because they can see it just along with that. Okay. There we go. Look at that. Ah, nice. Okay. Okay. Wow. You really did a lot to make this packaging special. It's all up to you now. You to get in there and experience it all. It's my pillow. It is. Like literally, it's custom twice for it's the Nexi pillow. Well, Nexi. I'm glad. Oh my gosh, there's like a special something here. What is this? Railing and a half. We'll clean this up in a little bit. Here's throw flat. So our gift to you. Good custom gift. It's a pillow protector. Okay. Wow. That was on the outside. This is all new to me. I'm seeing this for the first time. I know, and you're doing very well. Oh wow. I participated in this report now. So that's my first time. All right. I like. Wow. This is very soft. Very. Yes. Okay. So see, hill goes in there, but oh, these are there. We'll do that later. We'll do that later. Oh, look, there's a little bow, and it's a bow. You covered every detail. All the details are covered. You should have seen this even. I think, wow, super. Wow. Oh, there's soft too. Oh, there's more. This is very soft. This is there are different thicknesses of a falling. Right, we're yelled up. Oh, my, what's each of the fars? So we're going to open this out like this. It's so bad he will share this bill. You can't sleep on it, grenade. That's for you, the pasta fanatics. But look at here. There's a tight, go. How to use your Nexi? Instruction manual. Also, this is for me to look at this. Wow, what's got in the back? This is so you can listen to music and fall asleep, not scientifically designed for you to take an attention and relax and get that great relaxation. Like totally relax. All right, so you just QR code it. That's it. Oh, log in, download it, and you play the music. You play the music. Fantastic. All right, I'm going to use that. And your patients will use that too, by the way. There's some other things here. He tells you all about. Here's a letter from Jamie Greenwald, the president of our house. This was made just for you. Love that. Family business. That's right. Love that. But also, I want to point out, what does this say on your name picture? My name. It's our practice name. But I ain't a fan of name promising because right here. And what's over here? My initials. So that means it's made for you. It's mine. It's custom place. Come on, we only custom out there. That's right. Wow. So now you've done it. Wow. You're ready to sleep on this? Either end works. It doesn't matter which way you sleep once. And if you have a traumatic injury purgation, they could sleep on this side. Certainly making them all. I have some carotid collection, right? But then when you want to keep the full rehabilitative situation, they sleep on the other side, and you've got them. Nice. Very good. Because Larry done a great decision. Congratulations. And it's funny. We have a lot of chiropractors. A lot of you are already selling pillows. And so we have been selling other pillows. We have some in stock. Literally, this is what happened. We give patients the choice. Because we still haven't stopped. We're going all in here. But this is great. Yeah. We tell the patients, this pillow, the old one that we had, is quote unquote custom. One custom. Because it's got 3 data points of measurement on it. Okay, 3. Uh-huh. Yeah, the other guy. Yeah. Every catalog. This has got 1,300 data points. Did I say that right? No, I left out a 0. 130,000. I left out a 0. It's 130,000 data points. 27,000 worded. Yes. And it's not 120,000 or $1,000 more. No, it's amazing. That's amazing. But every person has picked is an Nexi pillow. Every one of them is picked an extra pillow because it's made literally custom to them. And so this is the product. People are loving it. But what I think is the most amazing thing about the product is the skin. Okay. So the scan is truly fantastic. So here's the scanner. You just came out with a scanner. It scans for server, it scans for posture, and it gives the patient an amazing, like 3 or 4 slide patient education process about their cervical curve, the weight bearing of the neck, how much more weight is carried forward because the posture is not right. And it really seals the deal. You're good, right up front. Talk about how you created that. How'd you get such? You took what you had, it was already good, and you had it another time the piss.
Well, it's about 20 years research is one of the months, and literally hundreds of thousands of patients where we went through and studied everything good about the individual body and physiology. And he basically said to herself, our also the cool knows did it with this Nexi Hester Custer Gimmel is the best cervical curve with postures that's our and Reno in chiropractic again and don't perfect cervical curve is what you want to track your perhaps, and that's of course you
100%. And we see you've had patients with all kinds of conditions, brain tumors, brain fog, all kinds radiculopathies, everything that you and I see all the time in our practice. And we see these reverse cervical curves. We see these straight curves. What's messing with the cerebral monitor. And yes, they need chiropractic care, but listen, from a 100-year lifestyle perspective, if you're going to live to 100 and you sleep 8 hours a day, you're going to spend 33 and a third years on your dog. Why not have the best wood made for you, just for you? I said, why not get one that's made for everybody else but you? So I love what you're doing. I love that we have worked together in so many ways. It contributed to our books. We supported each other. It's been fantastic. So literally, check out the scanner. It's world class. Get yourself a Nexi pillow. You'll love it. And I'm telling you, more importantly, your patients will love it and they'll talk about it. They'll talk about you more and they'll get their entire family into lifetime chiropractic care, which is what the lifestyle is, the modern lifestyle. You've been 20 years still with this in the future already. So thanks for watching, everybody. And thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, you've